Hi guys, it's Natalie. Today I thought we could do something different, so I'm gonna give you a tour in our house. So let's start with the bedroom. As you can tell, the dogs sleep with us on the bed, although there is plenty of space next to it. I actually inherited this bedroom from my grandmother when she passed, and we moved it all the way here. This is the view from our bedroom window. And now we are going into the hallway. I'll put some lights on. I really cherish all the memories with friends and family, so I like to display pictures in our house so I can look at them every day. This is our bathroom. Very fancy toilet seat. Philou and I really like to write things on the mirror or to hang notes to inspire each other and just little reminders to stay positive every day. This is me and my mom. Then this is our kitchen. We recently redid it last summer. We put a new floor, we put new cupboards, we changed the colors of the cupboards. Philou did the sink himself. It's all a little mosaic with little tiles. And I love to have flowers in the house. Sorry for the super dirty window, but that's our garden. And here you have the table. This is our living room. The black couch is supposed to be the dog sofa, but as you can tell, everybody just sits wherever they want. This is a wall with paintings, so every time we travel, I like to buy a painting to hang on our wall, so every time I look at it, I am reminded of all the fun memories we made while traveling. There are some more pictures. This is Skippy. She was one of my first dogs growing up. This is Pebbles. She's one of the babies of Billy, but unfortunately she passed away. Here you have Luke and Mimi taking a nap, and this is a hall ramp that Philou built for them so they can wander around without the dogs chasing them. This is a treadmill that was originally bought for Bruce, and he still goes on it. But as you can tell, I've made it my little desk so I can work and work out at the same time. So now we're gonna go to the other part of the house. Okay, so don't look at the mess, but this is where I record most of my videos. This is Leia. She used to be Luke's friend, but unfortunately also passed away. This is my grandmother, of whom I inherited the bedroom. Here are some doggy baskets, another standing desk, and here is the big desk. Also one I inherited from my grandparents. Don't look at the mess. World map, also to think about all of our travels, and the globe I've had since I was a little kid. This is the view from outside our house. And this is my little room. It's a bit my private room where I can do all my creative things, take care of plants, and where I put all the crystals I collect. So as you can tell, I'm a big fan of crystals. I also sell them online. We have a little shop called Nyanite, on which I sell crystals and jewelry and the sun catchers that I make myself, which I will show you in a second. So basically these are sun catchers. This is a prisma, and when the sun shines on it, they actually give really pretty rainbow patterns on the walls. Unfortunately, now the sun is already hiding, so no pretty patterns on the walls. Here we have the hallway where you can tell Yoda wants her food. This is the outside of our house, and Philou and I and the dogs, we live the whole upstairs, and my dad lives the downstairs, but that part we'll keep private for now. Then here, if you go in, you can tell someone scratched the doors. And here you have the doggy feeding station. that you might recognize from our previous videos. And here is the doggies corner. And there you have Yoda jumping, and you can have a little look into my dad's room. This is our garden where all the dogs can go crazy and play. So it goes behind that fence. There is another part like this. So this was it. This was the tour of our house. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.